Turkey is reportedly making significant strides in discussions with the United States on plans to decommission its Russian-supplied S-400 long-range air defense systems. This move aims to facilitate Turkey's reacquisition of F-35 fifth-generation fighters and potentially restore its status as a Tier 3 partner in the F-35 program. Back in July 2019, Turkey was formally removed from the F-35 program after it began receiving components for its S-400 system earlier that same month. Washington used the F-35 program as leverage to influence Ankara to comply with NATO's broader policy of restricting arms revenues flowing to the Russian defense sector. After negotiating with Washington, Turkey seems likely to shift its focus from acquiring older F-16 fighters to prioritizing funding for F-35 acquisitions due to fewer export restrictions on the latter. According to reports from the Greek media outlet Kathimerini, the United States presented a detailed proposal over the summer to resolve the contentious issue of Turkey's purchase of the Russian S-400 air defense system. This proposal would allow Turkey to keep the missiles on its territory but effectively transfer their control to the United States, as per the exclusive information provided by Kathimerini. In ongoing discussions that appear to be more advanced than previously known, senior U.S. officials have suggested moving the Russian systems to the U.S.-controlled sector of the Incirlik base in southern Turkey. This strategy aims to save Turkey from international embarrassment by not requiring a direct reversal of its decision, while also ensuring that no terms of its contract with Russia are violated. Despite the complexity of the issue, both parties now seem keen on reaching a successful conclusion. A resolution would significantly address a major problem for Washington and NATO while enabling Ankara to rejoin the F-35 fighter jet program. Michael Rubin, a senior fellow at the American Enterprise Institute and former Pentagon official, explained to Kathimerini that White House and Pentagon officials elevated the proposal to the highest levels in July. Sources in the region indicated that during their visit to Turkey on July 1–2, 2024, Celeste Wallander, the Assistant Secretary of Defense for International Security Affairs, and Michael Carpenter, Special Advisor to the President and Senior Director for Europe at the U.S. National Security Council, discussed reviving the F-35 deal with Turkish officials. In exchange for rejoining the F-35 program, they asked Turkey to hand over the S-400 systems to the United States or relocate them to the U.S.-controlled sector at the Incirlik base, said Rubin. According to sources from Kathimerini, Turkey's response at this stage has not been positive. However, discussions are set to continue later this week on the sidelines of the UN General Assembly in New York. Rubin adds that their Turkish counterparts refused and stated they would keep the systems boxed up within Turkey. Nevertheless, the deal is not off the table. Reviving the F-35 agreement will be a topic of interest for the United States and Turkey when leaders and security officials meet next week at the UN General Assembly.